Today, we're introducing Logto MCP Server. Add authentication to your app in one prompt. The AI analyzes your project, creates a Logto application, and generates the integration code, all without leaving your IDE. When I enable the Logto MCP Server, it redirects me to sign in with my Logto Cloud account. Once logged in, we're connected. Now, let's see the magic. I'll just type integrate Logto into my project. The AI analyzes my project, fetches the integration guide, creates a Logto application, and writes all the code automatically. Let's test it out. I'll start the app and click sign in. I'll create a new account, and I'm in. User info is displayed right on the page. One prompt, full authentication. That's Logto MCP Server.